Things break every day. A loose handle, a cracked chair, a broken tool, a project gone wrong. Most people scramble for the right glue and hope it holds. That's why we created the Starbond Ultimate Glue System, your all-in-one solution for any repair. From lightning-fast bonds to heavy-duty strength, from filling gaps to safely removing mistakes, this kit gives you everything you need in one box. One kit, endless solutions. Let's start with the multi-purpose medium. With just the right thickness and a set time of 10 to 15 seconds, it strikes the perfect balance between control and speed. To save you time, the formula is speed optimized to dry faster than most other medium viscosity superglues. The microtips give you professional level precision for a cleaner application, less waste and more glue and time saved. Our pin cap is engineered to have a longer needle so that you can not only prevent clogs, but declog your nozzles like a pro. For backup, an extra spare nozzle is also included. The printed user guides have tips to help your glue perform faster, and as a bonus, scanning the QR code will unlock an ever-growing library of masterclass videos you can watch to learn from industry professionals. Lastly, when 10 to 15 seconds just isn't fast enough, that's where the accelerator spray comes in. With just one spritz, your bond sets near instantly, perfect for fast-paced fixes or vertical applications where gravity works against you. Meet the Superglue Remover, the fast, safe way to dissolve hardened glue without damage. Unlike harsh acetone liquids that evaporate too quickly, Starbond's non-evaporating gel formula clings to the surface, giving it time to break down even stubborn glue. Just apply with the precision brush, wait 10 to 20 minutes, and wipe away. No scratching, no discoloration, just a clean surface again. And yes, it's safe for skin, perfect for those accidental glue mishaps. For home repairs that demand more heavy-duty bonding power than superglue, you have the Starbond XL 5-minute epoxy. We made it flexible, toughened for stronger shear strength and less brittle than other 5-minute epoxies. Then we added UV resistance and non-yellowing technology to supercharge the epoxy with an extra function. Use it as an epoxy filler that doesn't degrade when exposed to the sun. This makes the epoxy an all-around heavy-duty bonding adhesive that's great for both indoor and outdoor applications. PVA only bonds porous wood. Polyurethane struggles with smooth surfaces, and customers often say it just didn't stick. But with Starbond, you get wide material compatibilities, bonding wood, metal, plastic, ceramic, glass, and composites, solving the frustration of glue that only works on one material. Need to fill, patch, or mold something quickly? That's where epoxy putty shines. Think of it as an industrial-grade Play-Doh. It's easy to work with, sandable, and ready to paint in just 1 hour. It adheres to wood, metal, glass, plastic, ceramic, and more, and can handle extreme temperatures from -29 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're fixing a broken tool, crafting your next project, or handling tough repairs, the Starbond Ultimate Glue System is built to keep you moving with precision, power, and confidence. Scan the QR code in your kit or visit www.starbond.com to access our full library of how-to videos and tips from real makers. Thanks for watching.